Welcome back to Autoscope. BYD Motorhome 2026, a future vision for electric recreational vehicles. External design, aerodynamic and modern silhouette. This design will be sleek and contemporary while lowering wind resistance and increasing energy efficiency. Adaptive LED lighting, a full LED lighting system will be seamlessly included into the design. Integrated solar panels. The motorhome's roof will seamlessly include powerful photovoltaic solar panels. Smart accessibility. The main entry will include an automated, retractable electric staircase. Large external storage space. There will be several spacious external storage compartments on the vehicle. Interior. The seating area can be easily converted into a bed, and the dining table can be slid down to create additional space. A microwave and oven combination, an electric refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, a sink with a freshwater faucet, and clever storage including cabinets and drawers are some of the kitchen's features. Perhaps the master bed is a comfortable fixed bed. Adaptive interior lighting is LED interior lighting that has color and intensity controls. The enormous central touchscreen controls every aspect of RV operations, including navigation, energy management, entertainment, and security systems. Long-lasting and environmentally friendly materials, repurposed and sustainable materials are utilized. Electric platform dedicated E-Platform 3.0 Plus. The RV will be built on a scaled-down and modified version of BYD Platform 3.0, which was designed specifically for larger commercial or recreational vehicles. The company's state-of-the-art Blade battery, which is well known for its durability, security, and energy density, will be used in the next generation BYD Blade battery. Dual electric motors AWD Optional. This configuration will provide a great deal of power and maximum traction. Ultra-fast charging enables a rapid 80% charge by facilitating ultra-fast DC charging. Wi-Fi software update for car that ensures the latest features.